This is a simple jewelry workbench setup for beginners. It's clean, functional, and enough to get started. You don't need to have everything right away. Begin with the basics. Get comfortable with the tools, and over time, you'll naturally add more as needed. The bench pin is the main working area where the majority of the work will happen right here. In the next video, we'll go through some of the most common tools and how to use them step by step.
Good boy, Copper.